Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Jamaica Civil Service Association, JCSA, said them got top work if the Ministry for Finance no meet with them by Friday for talk about their money. One-time government minister and MP, Dr. Paul Roberts, said. The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, put one stop order upon the mining of sand at the Great Bay in a Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. The Reggae Girls win again in the CONCACAF Women's Championship qualifiers after them beat Grenada 6-1 at the Kirani James National Stadium yesterday. Now for the full tour of them. The Jamaica Civil Service Association, JCSA, said them got top work if the Ministry for Finance will meet with them by this Friday for talk about their money. The JCSA said some things in the wage and fringe benefit package where them never reached an agreement pan from 2017. On top of that, the JCSA said them are worried that the government are going to use the old rate them when them to pay them more money for this fiscal year and that can't work. The JCSA said nothing are going normal in the public service if them not meet by this Friday for second things from 2017 to now. One-time government minister and MP Dr. Paul Roberts dead. Him dead Saturday at the St. Anthony Hospital after him did get admit couple days back. Dr. Robertson did at the MP for St. Catherine South East and him did at the Deputy General Secretary, and Vice President for the People's National Party. PMP President Mark Golding said Dr. Robertson did a one good man who do not for him country and the PNP. The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, put one stop order upon the mining of sand at the Great Bay in a Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. People in the community did start fret so the place might have flooded out because of the mining, and them realized that from last month people start move the sand them. On top of that, the Jamaica Environment Trust JET said them are worried about the mining we are going to. JET said the sand them about 3,000 to 5,000 year old, and if people move them, it are gonna mash up the shore, plus the sand them are protect the community from flooding. The police put out one another alert for 3 wards of the state who missing from the Granville Child Care Facility in a Carrick Foyle, Trelawney. The girl them are Tishana Kerr, Rakaya Duncans and Onika Bryan. All of them are 15 years old. According to the Falmouth police, people asked the girl them at the place around 8:30 p.m. That time there, Tishana did have on one red blouse and brown shorts. Rakaya did have on one red t-shirt and blue shorts, and Onika did have on one red t-shirt and red shorts. Nobody no see or hear from them after that. The Falmouth police asked anybody who know which part the three girl them there for call them pan 876-954-3222 119 are the nearest police station. 6 people in a Westmoreland no live away after claim makes a one man burn down them house after him shut it up. This go on little after 2 a.m. yesterday when the family did asleep in a Belvedere community in a Scotland's Bethel town. According to reports, the family here shot a bus pan them house and after that it start burn down. On top of that, the man burn up one Toyota Vaxi minivan and one Toyota Corolla car where did park in the yard. Now for sports. The Reggae Girls win again in the CONCACAF Women's Championship qualifiers after them beat Grenada 6-1 at the Kirani James National Stadium yesterday. But although them win, Vin Blaine or them coach said the Reggae Girls never play them best because them should have scored more goal and close the goal difference gap between them and the rest of the country them. Uncle the group winner I got the final round for the qualifiers. People, remember the curfew from 11 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.